So my buddy Lone Star Rider said he's on his way. I said, I just got done cooking. But you know what, for you, buddy? Let's have some chicken wings and some sausage. And I'm using some Uncle Steve Shake Sweeten the Spicier. Throw that down on there. I got a little bit of that peach barbecue sauce left over that I just cooked. Yes, I just got done cooking a video for y'all. Get that on there nice. Oh. Alright, I got another bottle, I think. I don't know. Should. Alright. He's an hour away. Oh yeah, them looking good. Rex is getting close. We also made some, I made some French fries in the air fryer. Yeah, should be some tasty food. Oh, and I'm gonna put some of this Salt Lick Texas honey pecan barbecue sauce on it. Alright, let's see what it looks like.
Alright.
Yeah.
OMG, look at that. That's not any good. Let's just throw it on the ground.
Tell me who you are.
I'm Lone Star Rider. You can find me at Lone Star Rider TV. That's who I am.
We'll tell more about you here in a little bit.
Yeah.
After we eat.
Look at all that.
Come show them those French fries.
Oh yeah, you gotta show that. Just like I like them, crispy.
We did a double crisp. I cooked them for 15 in the air fryer, set them out for 30 minutes, put them back in for 15.
Oh, he's saying you could throw them on the ground.
All right, folks, we gonna eat up. Oh, open that up. Let's show them shotgun shells.
Oh, yeah, you haven't done showing them? Look at that.
Not in this video.
They
Shotgun shells. That video's out too.
They do not look like shotgun shells.
We'll get to that on the next video.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back.
But they look good.
Yeah. So we've already got the French fries out.
Right on the set.
Now we're going with the food.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this part.
I'm gonna take a gander right there.
All right, you can cut me a piece too. About the same size. Awesome.
Watch out for the fly.
Guys,
Wing. Wing.
yeah, I'll take one. Wiener's there. Actually, it's sausage, isn't it? OMG. I'm throwing this on the ground. This is good.
I guess it's like you at that party we had, and you said, "Don't eat this cake.
That's right.
Leave it alone. You don't like it."
Nobody eat this sausage. I'm saving your life. Do not eat it. I really tried to save everybody's life on that cake. It's good.
It is. I don't even know what it was. I just saw you're coming by, so I pulled it out of the fridge. 2 of them. They're good.
That's what she said.
Got some Uncle Steve Shake on it.
That's probably what makes it. Uncle Steve makes it awesome. And Uncle Steve is awesome. Oh, that'll help. I've been here licking my fingers and you have paper towels. I probably would have licked my fingers anyway. You notice I ate that whole damn thing real quick. That's good. Man,
Let's try that wing.
I'm going to. I have to clear the palate first. You know, if you don't clear the palate, you don't get an accurate
Okay.
taste. Hey, this is a sophisticated kitchen. I'm telling you. Papa's Kitchen, aka Papa's Kingdom, aka is Papa Texas.
Yeah.
Alright. Now what did you do with this chicken?
Cooked it.
Well, I know you cooked it.
I grilled it on the Z-Grills. I put some Uncle Steve Shake on it. And And I put some, no I didn't. Yeah, I did. And I put some Eddie Dean barbecue peach on it. Telling Uncle Steve's I used the sweet and the spicier. So we'll see what that combination does for us. Hope it's cooked all the way through.
I don't like it. Oh, good stuff. Uh-oh.
Hadn't had anything bad since you've been here, huh?
No. Go
Well,
away.
maybe the pecan pie.
It's all right. It's pecan. It even says so.
Yeah, the blend of this, I don't taste the peach, but maybe it's just mixed into the blend.
I don't taste peach either. It does say peach, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't taste the peach in it either.
Tasty.
More than tasty. Well, guys, if you ever get a chance, are you recording?
Yes.
If you ever get a chance to go to Papa's Kitchen, somewhere here in McKinney, Texas, it's a really expensive restaurant, though. But if you can find it and get some food out of him, I mean, order some food, you won't regret it.
All right, y'all. Lone Star Rider. I'll leave a link to him at the end. Papa, Texas. That's the cook for this week. I've done a lot of wings lately.
Are you?
See ya.
See ya!